Well, people often ask me what will happen at their interview with USCIS when they're married to a United States citizen or lawful permanent resident. Well, the main thing that USCIS is concerned with is whether you have entered into your marriage for bona fide purposes. And what that means is, when you got married, did you have the intention of building a life together as husband or wife? Now, how does immigration decide that? Well, that's why they have the interview. The main thing they're trying to do is figure out whether or not you guys have entered into a marriage based on love. Love is the key to a marriage interview. Now, very often people have not entered into their relationships for bona fide reasons, but have entered into what immigration calls a sham marriage. Entering into a sham marriage is a crime and can result in either a fine, jail time, and deportation. So it's important not to enter into sham marriages and not to try to obtain your lawful permanent residency through fraud. Now, once you go to your interview, the officer is going to want to review things like photographs of you and your spouse at different places and at different times. They'll also want to see other documents you may have, like joint bills, receipts, utilities, or financial entanglements such as bank statements, life insurance, or other brokerage documents that you may have. Wills and powers of attorneys are also things that are helpful to have that you can show to immigration. That's generally what happens at your interview when you're married. And then after they've made a determination that they believe you have a bona fide marriage, they will ask you a series of questions regarding the security aspects of getting a green card. Those are a series of yes or no questions that have to do with things like whether you've ever been arrested, charged with a crime, have been excluded or deported from the United States in the past, and a number of other yes or no questions. Again, it's important to prepare for your interview and to have all the documents you need at hand so you can provide them to the officer when you get to your interview. I always recommend that you refer with an immigration attorney prior to any application with USCIS. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact my office. Thank you.